Hello guys, Lego Workstation here. Today I'll show you how to make Revenge of the Fallen Skids and Mudflap ice cream truck mode. So this is what Skids will look like in vehicle mode, the first half, and this is what Mudflap will look like. Here's the back half. Also, you'll be able to assemble them by plugging them in together using this stud and this hole over here, like that. Then they'll become a full-blown on ice cream truck. Also, the original design is by Stupid Ninja, so go support him as well. I'll get on to showing you the parts and how to build him. These are all the parts you will need to build Skids. The first thing you'll need to build Skids is a 1x2 bar plate that looks like this. And then get this 1x2 white plate with one stud and then place it on top like that. And then take two 1x1 black clips and then put them and stick them on the bar so that they're centered. Then take a 1x2 bar plate, which is divided into 3 bars, and then stick that on top of the 1x1 plate with one stud. Then take two of take two 1x1 transparent white cheese wedges and place them at front, like this, for windshield. Then for the arms, you'll take a clip, a white clip, a 1x2 dark purple plate, and a black stud. And to make the arm, you'll assemble it like this. And then you will stick it on the end of the bar. Repeat this process for the other arm. Also, I'm using a gray clip because I didn't have a white one available. And then for the head, take a 1x1 gray plate with the clip, a 1x1 white tile, and a silver gray stud. And then arrange them like this to make the head. And then you'll stick that in the middle bar, and then boom, you've got Skids. These are all of the pieces you will need to build Mudflap. To start making Mudflap, take one of these 1x2 plates with 3 bars and take another one of these 1x2 plates with one stud and then place it on top, like this. Then take two 1x2 white plates, stack them on top of each other, and then keep them on the back to make this. Then take another one of these bar plates, put them so that it'll look like this. By the way, you're actually supposed to flip it so that it looks like this. Sorry, everyone does mistakes. Now you take two white 1x1 plates that have clips. Then you place one like this. Then you take a white headlight brick, place it on on the second clip like this, and put on the clip so that it'll look like this. Then you'll need the ice cream thing. So you'll just need a golden stud and a white stud. Place the white stud on the golden stud and place it on top of the headlight brick. Then take take two black 1x1 plates with clips. Place them both like this. Take two dark purple plates. Take two 1x2 dark purple plates and then just put them down like that. Then take two black studs and then place them like this for wheels. Then take two 2x2 white plates, then put them on the white clips to make the walls for the ice cream truck. I think that's what they're, yeah, I think they're good. Yeah. And then for the horn, they'll take this type of plate with one stud and one clip. Take this dark gray silver shiny stud and place it on the one stud of the thing plate. Then take a 1x2 white tile, place that on top, and place and then adjust the plate. Then boom, you've got Mudflap and Skids. Let us now transform Skids and Mudflap. So first we'll do Skids. Step 1 is to reverse the back part, which has the legs, and fold out the legs and extend them. Fold down the head like that. Then fold down the arms and then do them like that. Wait, oops, it broke off. Then if you want, you can make him lean down a bit so that he can stand. And for Mudflap, this requires a bit of brick forming. So you first remove that. Then you remove the siren. Oh, I forgot what it's called here. This part, you remove the plate. And then you, oh god, everything is breaking. You practically gotta fold out the legs. Why is everything breaking? Like this, so that they're the backwards, I guess, like that. Then you rotate the panels, and then fold out the arms, same way that you did with Skids. Then you've transformed the body. Now for the ice cream, you just gotta put the plate and the ice cream part together, put them on the back of the stud. Then you take the siren, and then you just snap that in, and then boom, you got Mudflap. So the scale of these two is pretty accurate, I'd say. Lol. So that is how you build mini Revenge of the Fallen Skids and Mudflap ice cream truck mode. Please like and subscribe, and see you all next video. Bye.